Do you know what makes me frustrated sometimes? When I don't have control of things. I don't have control over situations. I don't have control over people. I don't have control over emotions of other people, how they will react, how they will perceive things. Sometimes it's frustrating to know that you cannot control things and people around you and even situations that is happening to your life right now. But it says in his words that his grace is sufficient, that he is more than enough for you, that you don't need to rely on your own understanding, not to have self-reliance, but rely on God, because he is in control of every situation. He is in control in every season. He is in control of everything. He has full dominion over everything in heaven and here on earth too. So you don't need to worry. You don't need to fall into anxiety. You don't need to fall into depression. You don't need to feel that you are lost and frustrated whenever you feel that you don't have control over things. Because even you can control things, people, emotion of other people, decision of other people, reaction of other people, but you can control your own emotion, that you can control over your life. You can control your how you will react, how you will respond to these things. So let's just not rely on other people, not rely even to ourselves, but to rely only to our God.